When two souls secretly feel drawn to each other, these quiet signs begin to appear. Not every powerful connection begins with a confession. Sometimes, two people can feel an undeniable pull toward each other long before either one finds the courage to speak about it. There are no dramatic love stories, no grand gestures, and no perfect timing. Only a series of quiet moments that seem too meaningful to ignore. Psychology suggests that when two people become emotionally significant to one another, their thoughts, behaviors, and attention naturally begin to change. They may not fully understand why they feel different, but their minds and emotions start responding in ways that reveal a growing bond. These signs aren't magical predictions, nor do they guarantee that a relationship will happen. Instead, they reflect patterns often seen when two people share a deep emotional attraction that neither of them has fully expressed. Here are 7 hidden signs that you both feel deeply drawn to each other. 1. You keep finding reasons to notice one another. Even in a crowded room, your attention naturally drifts toward them. You don't force yourself to look. It simply happens. You notice when they arrive, when they laugh, or when they quietly leave. Likewise, they seem unusually aware of your presence too. Psychologists call this selective attention. The brain naturally prioritizes people who have become emotionally meaningful, making them stand out even in ordinary situations. 2. Conversations feel effortless, no matter the topic. It isn't what you're talking about that matters, it's how the conversation feels. Even simple discussions become enjoyable because both of you are genuinely interested in each other's thoughts. There are very few awkward pauses. When silence does happen, it feels comfortable instead of uncomfortable. That emotional ease often reflects a growing sense of trust and psychological safety. 3. You remember the smallest details about each other. Most people forget the little things. But when someone matters deeply, the smallest details stay in your memory. You remember their favorite drink, something they mentioned weeks ago, or the story behind their smile. Without realizing it, they remember similar details about you. This isn't coincidence. The brain naturally stores more information about people it considers emotionally important. 4. Your moods quietly affect one another. One person's emotional state begins influencing the others. If they seem unusually happy, your mood becomes lighter. If they're distant or upset, you find yourself wondering what happened. This emotional synchronization often develops without conscious effort. It reflects empathy, emotional awareness, and genuine care rather than simple attraction. 5. You both seem curious about each other's lives. Real attraction isn't only physical. It's emotional curiosity. You want to understand how they think, what motivates them, what they've experienced, and what dreams they quietly carry inside. Likewise, they ask thoughtful questions about your life, not because they're being polite, but because they genuinely want to know. When curiosity becomes consistent, emotional investment usually follows. 6. Being around each other brings out your best qualities. Some people leave you emotionally exhausted. Others make you feel more confident, peaceful, and authentic. When two people share a healthy emotional connection, they naturally encourage growth. You become more patient, more optimistic, more motivated, not because someone is trying to change you, but because their presence inspires you to become a better version of yourself. Healthy attraction doesn't make you lose yourself. It helps you discover more of who you truly are. 7. The connection continues even when you're apart. Perhaps the strongest sign is what happens during absence. Days may pass without speaking. Life becomes busy. Yet the emotional connection doesn't disappear. Instead, thoughts of them return unexpectedly. A familiar song, a meaningful place, or a random memory instantly reminds you of them. When you finally reconnect, the conversation feels natural, as though no time has passed at all. This kind of consistency often reflects emotional attachment built on genuine appreciation rather than constant communication. The quiet truth about deep attraction. The strongest emotional connections rarely begin with dramatic declarations. They begin with attention, with curiosity, with emotional safety, with respect. and with a growing sense that someone understands parts of you that very few people ever notice. When two people are deeply drawn to each other, they often communicate far more through actions than words. The smiles become a little longer. The eye contact lasts a little deeper. The concern feels more genuine. The silence becomes more comfortable. And slowly, almost without realizing it, two separate lives begin moving toward one another. Not because they planned it, but because their hearts quietly recognized something meaningful long before their minds could explain it. Sometimes the deepest attraction isn't announced. It simply reveals itself through countless small moments that both people remember long after they happen. Your mindset shapes your whole life. For daily psychology and mindset insights, make sure to subscribe to Psychology Mindset.